Monday morning. Guess I'll take you guys for a tour around the shop and see what's going on. Yes, this is back from paint. I don't think we've done an update video since it's been back from paint, but here we go. Box is back on it. It's not level or anything like that because the wood still needs to go in the back of the bed. So it's just sitting on the rails right now, so it's not in line with the cab. So don't let that fool you. But she turned out pretty. I think the dash is all done. We put the seat in. We put the nice original rubber floor mat back in it. And that's really nice. So yeah, turned out pretty nice. What are you working on? Another fender?
Another fender. Another truck.
Another truck.
And we have a 53 Ford pickup coming in the end of next week also for full body and paint.
Huh.
And I think a 57 Chev pickup possibly. And a 36 or 37 Dodge, but that one's questionable.
So no cars, just all trucks still.
Seems like no cars. Lots of people with cars phoning, but yeah, all
Okay.
trucks.
All
Trucks
right.
seem to be the latest thing, I guess. Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
What are you doing on this? Rust repair? Is this for the crew cab?
The bolt's broken, so I drilled to tap the hole up.
Oh, okay.
So,
Is this for the crew cab?
yeah. That's it.
We should start charging by the pound here for waste.
Yeah. We could.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of dirt and mud.
Okay, I'll go see what the... Yes, still no progress on this. Don't even ask. Don't even, because of this. So, I'll go show everybody what's going on. There's that little Malibu. We're just waiting for the parts for the chassis, for the suspension and stuff like that, the upgrades he wants to do, so that's where that is. This is the crew cab that Rick is working on the fender for. So that is another one. This is the frame for the 8081 Ford. Here is the VW van, all painted nice inside. I would not have wanted to do that. I helped. This is what I got to do. I got to sand the floors in this bad boy. Oh, that was all kinds of fun, let me tell you. All those ribs. Super fun. Insert sarcasm here. And here's my favorite girl. My old Charger girl. We never came up with a name for her, did we?
I'm sorry?
We never came up with a name for her, did we? No, we didn't. Anyway.
I ain't called some rather rude names.
So, doing the final block on the body because she's going for paint this week. I think a couple of days she'll be going for paint. And she'll be all purty when she comes home. And here is the truck that we've been working on for a while. Poor Bruce is sanding the roof. So that's his favorite job. That's what we hear every time he has to do that. So how much he loves it. So some body work on the floor there from the roof repairs. And that's about it. So let's see what's going on here. So yeah, that's about it. I don't think there's anything else to update. No, there isn't. So I'm going to sign off because it's cold out here and I'm going back in the office to upload this video and fix our website up and all that good stuff and reply to everybody that's been emailing over the weekend. And I can hear Rick's on the phone already. So it's always a good time, an old time. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you soon.